The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40 is a modern tribute to one of Toyota's most iconic off-road vehicles, the classic FJ40. This new iteration captures the rugged essence of the original FJ40 while blending in advanced technology and improved performance for modern-day adventurers. The 2025 FJ40 honors its predecessor with a boxy, retro-inspired design that immediately recalls the spirit of the classic model. Toyota has carefully balanced this homage by incorporating modern elements while staying true to the classic look, which is characterized by a high ground clearance, bold front grille, and round LED headlights. The compact, two-door body emphasizes off-road readiness and durability, similar to the original FJ40. The front fascia sports a heritage-inspired Toyota badge across the grille, flanked by powerful LED headlights that nod to the iconic round headlights of the classic FJ40. The wheel arches are slightly squared off, housing chunky all-terrain tires on 17-inch alloy wheels designed to withstand tough environments. With a reinforced underbody skid plate and strong recovery points, the new FJ40 is ready for rock crawling, water fording, and any challenging trail. Toyota equips the 2025 FJ40 with a robust powertrain to handle the most challenging off-road scenarios. The standard engine is a 2.8-liter turbocharged four-cylinder diesel, producing around 240 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque, providing excellent low-end power ideal for rugged terrains. For those preferring gasoline, there is also an optional 3.5-liter V6 engine with around 300 horsepower. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, offering smooth gear shifts and improved fuel efficiency. With high and low-range gearing, the FJ40 is well equipped for steep inclines, rocky paths, and sandy dunes. The electronically locking differentials provide extra traction when needed, while the independent front suspension and solid rear axle ensure stability and articulation across uneven surfaces. The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40 is a thoughtfully designed tribute to an off-road legend, combining classic style with advanced performance and technology. It caters to those who appreciate the history of the Land Cruiser brand while meeting the demands of modern adventurers. With its exceptional off-road capabilities, rugged design, and practical features, the FJ40 is poised to be a top choice for enthusiasts who crave a reliable, capable, and iconic 4x4 experience. Whether exploring mountain trails, desert landscapes, or remote forests, the 2025 FJ40 promises to deliver a memorable journey, staying true to its legacy as a world-class adventure vehicle.